As the second leg of Arsenal vs Real Madrid match approaches, fans and supporters are geared up. This exciting UEFA Champions League quarter-final second leg will take place on Wednesday, April 16, 2025, with kick-off at 8 p.m. Arsenal won the first leg with a surprising 3-0 victory, and now they are traveling to Spain to face one of the strongest teams in Europe again. Real Madrid will be looking to turn things around after their loss, but Arsenal has the advantage. If they can hold their ground or even score one goal, they will be on their way to the semi-finals. Politicians like former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, former Senate President Bukola Saraki, and the current Governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, along with celebrities like Remote and Pasuma, who are all big Arsenal supporters, are also eagerly waiting to see what happens next. Even though Real Madrid is known for their strong performances at home, Arsenal fans believe their team can stay strong and make it to the next round. This match is expected to be full of action, and everyone is waiting to see who will come out on top. We'll continue to supply you more sports news stories. Keep watching Nigerian News TV.